We had like, I don't know, 15 or 20 letters about that monkey. So let me just go ahead and say something right now, because be real honest with you, I'm getting fucking pissed off about it.
Me too.
That monkey is dead. It's been dead
a long time.
Don't worry about that monkey. That monkey is gone. Okay? Uncle Ricky fucked it.
And it fucking died.
And it died.
It fucking died.
So, I don't know no other way to say it.
It's fucking dead.
Except that it is dead.
It's been dead 100 times.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, and that fucking monkey is dead.
Amen. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Fucking monkey is dead.
I gotta say something, Ruby. That outfit looks dumb as shit on you. I'll lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I'm fucking dead like that monkey. Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop. When the wind blows, that monkey is dead.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Uncle Ricky.
Uncle Ricky who?
Uncle Ricky fucked that monkey and it died.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so bright, that fucking monkey is motherfucking dead. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear monkey, you're fucking dead.
Fuck you. Once upon a time, far, far away, two girls that might be sisters had a monkey. That monkey, was fucked by Uncle Ricky, and it died. Says it right there, see? Fucking died. The fucking motherfucking end of that goddamn book is that monkey is fucking dead. Don't fucking ask about that shit no more.